If you want to change currency inside your Wise wallet, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. First, open your Wise app and go to the home screen. In Wise, each currency works as a separate balance, so you don't actually change one currency into another automatically. You either open a new balance or convert money. If you want to add a new currency, tap on Open and then choose Balance. Scroll through the list, select the currency you want, and tap Open Balance. That's it. You can now receive and hold money in that currency. If you already have money in one currency and want to switch it to another, go to the balance you currently have. Tap on Convert. Choose the currency you want to convert to, enter the amount, and review the exchange rate and fees. Once you confirm, Wise will instantly convert your money at the real exchange rate. And that's how you change currency in your Wise wallet. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.